Hi all, welcome back once again to VIEH Osint series. So today we have a website which is called Brain Gain Soft. So from this website you can find information about a GitHub user related to the uh, account which is linked. So let's search out VIH group. You'll not get much information because we are not spreading information out on some social platform. But if you type out some other username, uh, then you'll get a lot of information. But in our case we have not entered a lot of things so that you are not getting some more information, but in your investigation this will be going to be a very useful tool, and this will going to add a lot of value to your investigation related to GitHub. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Jai.